Hey guys, Heavy Hello 16 here. Sorry I never posted any videos in the past few days. I've been, well, not really busy, I just ran out of stuff to do. So I picked up another model today. It's the ERTL John Deere 200 DLC excavator in 1/50th scale. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing here and have a review up later on. So just, here it is. Just get started here now. Just gotta undo the tab. Okay. There it is. The view inside the box. Upside down now. Start doing the tape. Lay it here, I guess. I'll just lay that here for a second. See what just lay it here. Sorry guys. Just do the hold on a sec. Okay. Now, so okay. Alright guys, here it is. Let's try to take it out here. See if it'll come out. There you go. That's it. Okay. This is the model. Okay. I'll just strip off this little bit of tape here. There we go. Just gonna take out the little engine cover thing. It's pretty nice. It's a nice little model. Gonna take off the tracks, the little track guard things. It's nice detail. I've already looked at this model. Oh, the bucket is awesome. Look at that. That's just a fluke of the model thing, but the whoa, 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 whoa. The stick cylinder is extremely tight, but the bucket cylinder is extremely smooth, and I find that pretty weird. But I'll just oil that later with some oil. But that is smooth, really smooth. Not tight at all. But anyways, I'll just see if I can get that fixed now. Just turn the model that way. Try not to break it, because ERTL tracks are easy to break, like everyone does know. Okay. Now, what I'll do is I'll just very quick, very easily, just try to. Here we go. Hold on, guys. Just a second. This one off. It'll be very easy with ERTL's tracks because of their very looseness, and they're very easy to break. I'm always afraid of ERTL tracks because I don't want to break them. But right now, they're rolling really smoothly and very nicely, which is a good plus for this model, because my 450 tracks are horrible. So, that's not a very good part of this model. Well, some models, ERTL models. I guess like they say, it's the fluke of the model. But anyways, get that off. Okay. Now, there it is. Like I just said, it's very stiff to turn. Okay. The tracks are really very loose on this model. I don't know if I'm that big of a fan of that. Look at that. Look at that. That's very loose, guys, and very easy to come off, I'm guessing. You know, and they're very easy to break as well. So I'm not really a big fan of these tracks right now. You know, when they're loose, they're easy to break, and that's not good when metal tracks break on a model. It's not good at all. But anyways, besides from that, I'm pretty impressed. It's a nice little model. Engine cover and stuff like that. Like I said, the bucket cylinder is really smooth. Stick cylinder is not. You know, I really love the counterweight on John Deere 200s. Love it. Other than that, it's a nice model. I'm just gonna upload this now, and then I will do a review. So, see, actually, I think I'm gonna oil it before I do a review, but whatever. Anyways, guys, see ya.